Welcome to Irie-AT Braille Embossers. Today we'll be installing the Irie Embosser printer driver. First, locate the USB stick that came with your embosser and insert it into your computer, or download the driver from our website. Next, open File Explorer, locate the USB stick, and open it up. Inside, you'll be looking for the Embosser driver folder. Open that up and find the exe file with the Irie-AT printer driver. Double-click on the exe file to begin the installation process. A dialog box will pop up asking you whether you'd like the application to make changes to your PC or not. Select Yes to continue with the installation. Choose your language and click Next. Click Next again to enter the Irie-AT license agreement. Once you have read and accepted the terms by selecting I accept the terms of this agreement checkbox, navigate to the Next icon and select it. Once you've selected Next, the Begin Installation of the Irie-AT Braille Printer Driver dialog box will pop up. Once the dialog box pops up, you'll be given the option to go back and review or change any of your installation settings, or proceed with the installation. If you're ready to proceed, navigate to the Install icon and select it. Once you've selected the Install icon, the Installation Progress dialog box will pop up with a progress bar displaying the driver installation's progress. Once the driver installation is completed, the Tiger Font Setup dialog box will pop up. Select Next to continue. Once you have selected Next, the Optional Features to Install dialog box will pop up. From there, you can select the languages to be installed. Select the desired languages you wish to install by selecting the checkbox to the left of the specific language. Once the desired languages are selected, select Install. Please note that all languages are selected by default. Once you have selected Install, the Installing Tiger Fonts dialog box will pop up with a progress bar displaying the Tiger Fonts installation progress. Once the Tiger Fonts installation is completed, the Completing Tiger Fonts Setup Wizard dialog box will pop up, prompting you to finish the setup wizard. To do this, navigate to Finish and select it. Once you've selected Finish, a dialog box will pop up indicating that your Irie-AT Braille printer driver has been successfully installed. Navigate to the Finish icon and select it. If you would like to run the network printer installation utility, select the checkbox prior to navigating to the Finish icon and selecting it. Once you've selected Finish, a dialog box will pop up notifying you that you must restart your system for the configuration to take place. Select Yes to restart your system now, or select No if you plan to manually restart your system at a later date. Once you have restarted your system, your Irie-AT printer driver will now be installed.